Hey guys, welcome. So today we're going to be telling you how to get started with your 3D scanning. So what we're going to do today is record our videos of our specimens that will then be processed into our 3D models. Now the first step is to locate your specimen. So we've now located our specimen, and what we want to start doing with our video recording is getting as much full coverage of the plant specimen as we can. This is so we have enough data to then generate a comprehensive 3D model. So what we want to do to get full coverage is we want to go around our plant specimen, capturing it from the outside in at all these different angles. So we want to have a lower base level and go around in 360, then a middle, and then a top coverage. And this will ensure we have enough data to then make some really amazing 3D models. Now with plant specimens, they're pretty thin, and if the wind is there, we can have a bit of movement that does disrupt the 3D scans. So you're going to want to try and find a specimen on a calm day and do your recording then. Now you also don't want to try and disrupt the specimen as you're moving around it, as this can also affect the scan. So you've been going around your plant at various heights, and while we're doing that, what we want to have in our viewfinder is as much of the plant as possible, and we want to have it in focus. We want to try and avoid blur so that data set that we're giving into the 3D renderer is as high quality as possible. So what we can do is we can tap the specimen to focus, and then we want to maintain the same distance from our filming device to our specimen at all times as we're moving around, so that we can try and make sure that everything is in focus the whole time. Now that we've captured our video recording of our specimen, we want to collect some really basic scientific data so that we can ground our specimens in reality and give them that scientific context that will be allowing them to be used in education and research purposes. Now for this one, we're going to keep the information simple, and we just want you to try and identify the species name and give us a bit of information about the location in which it was found. Maybe some local landmarks or some features that will help identify where the specimen was found. And then to find out which specimen this is, you may know this, or you may be able to find this in some local books around the plant specimens in your area, or you can use an app called Picture This or some other apps that help you identify plant specimens just from a photograph. These are really accurate and can be a great way to identify what you're looking at right here in the field. Now you've finished your video capture of your specimen and collected your associated scientific data, you're going to send this to PlantGang, where we're going to make you your 3D model render of your specimen. This will then be also made into a unique collection card which incorporates both the data and the 3D model render. For the competition, we're going to send you your unique collection card showing off both your data and your 3D model render, and you're going to upload this for your submission. Hopefully now you have all the tools you need to start your journey as a citizen scientist scanner. We're super excited to see what moments of biodiversity our global community can capture, and thank you so much for joining us on this adventure.